All right, tech fam, let's talk about something big Samsung might be cooking up, and no, it's not another foldable or camera trick. This time it's all about batteries, the one thing that powers everything, but often it's the least excitement. That might be about to change. According to a new leak from the Elec, Samsung is working on a next-gen battery tech called SUS Kint. Sounds a bit sci-fi, but here's the deal. It uses stainless steel inside the battery structure to improve strength, durability, and efficiency. That might not sound flashy at first, but the impact could be huge. So what does this mean for users like you and me? First, this isn't just about packing in more battery capacity, though that might be part of it. What Samsung's really aiming for here is better longevity, faster charging, and something that's been a quiet issue for years: reducing battery swelling. If you've ever had an old phone puff up or lose its charge faster after a year, you know why this matters. What's even more interesting is that Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max is already rumored to use similar tech. So Samsung jumping in now makes total sense. It's part innovation, part competition. And let's be honest, Samsung doesn't like to be outdone. But here's the catch: not every Galaxy device is going to get this upgrade right away. It looks like Samsung will debut SUS Kint exclusively in the flagship line, likely starting with the Galaxy S26, which is still a ways off but already generating hype. And while we're on the S26 series, there might be a shakeup in the lineup. Rumor has it that Samsung might drop the S26 Plus in favor of keeping the S26 Edge alive. It's not confirmed, but it could mean a slightly leaner, more focused Galaxy lineup moving forward. Now back to the battery side of things. If this stainless steel tech works as expected, we could be looking at a serious upgrade. Imagine a phone that not only charges faster, but also holds up better over time, without the heat issues or wear and tear we've come to accept as normal. Samsung stepping up with smarter battery construction could be its move to catch up or even leap ahead. But as always, nothing is official yet. Samsung hasn't dropped any confirmation, so all of this, while exciting, should be taken with a grain of salt. If Samsung delivers on this tech, the Galaxy S26 might be more than just another spec refresh. It could mark a real step forward in battery innovation, something the smartphone world desperately needs. No gimmicks, no unnecessary features, just real performance gains where it matters most. What do you think? Is this stainless steel battery tech a game changer or just another shiny new buzzword? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you're hyped for where Samsung is heading, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Samsung, battery breakthroughs, and everything else in the world of tech. Thanks for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one. Peace out.